All right, we've got some sad news to share in the entertainment world. Award-winning actor Louis Gossett Jr. has died. He was the first black man to win an Academy Award as Best Supporting Actor. Gossett was also a producer, a director, and a social activist. Many times he spoke about his fondness for New Orleans. From the WWL Louisiana archives, we found this interview Gossett gave to our own Bill Capo back in 2007.
From the cool comfort of the Ritz-Carlton Hotel, actor Louis Gossett Jr. worries about conditions in many parts of New Orleans that are still struggling to recover after Hurricane Katrina, and marvels at how much has happened since the storm because he was so shocked at the extent of the damage.
I didn't think anything could happen with all of these little white huts they have, and all the markings on the doors. It broke my heart. Some of the places where I used to be. I used to hang out at dookie chases.
Gossett has visited New Orleans several times since Katrina, helping with the recovery effort, trying to build a better and safer city, especially for the young generation.
Now, New Orleans is the heartbeat of America. It's older than America itself. It's got something that's roots. America should learn from what's happening here. So when something horrible like Katrina or something hits, and it's really terrible, and you come by and you see the people still smiling at you and still welcome. There's something about these people.
So last month, he decided to premiere the American tour of his new project in New Orleans. He's sponsoring the stage play American Footprint, which is a display of the history of South Africa that has been seen by 250 million people.
Prince Charles, they did it for him. They've done it for Nelson Mandela. They've broken records in Europe and Australia. So it became a no-brainer. I felt immediately in love with this project. Very much like Riverdance, Cirque du Soleil, all put into one. It's 90 minutes where you can't breathe.
But among the 30-member cast are disadvantaged South African youth who use the performing arts to turn their lives around. A lesson Gossett hopes will be learned by disadvantaged American youth, and is a reason why he is supporting the play.
For our young people don't know where they come from, so they can't tell you where they're going, and they've got themselves in a kind of vicious circle, and they're killing one another, they're doing bad things. Left unsupervised, that's what happens. So these young people who did the same, who were in the same circumstance in South Africa, and Soweto, and Sophiatown, have created this diamond, the good diamond of creativity, and the show is incredible.
Gossett himself started on the stage, interrupting plans for a career in basketball to appear on Broadway at age 17. But it was film and television that made him a star and earned awards, including Emmy and Oscar. He is always asked about his movies, and the ones fans want to know about most are his favorites as well.
How did you slip into this program? An Officer and a Gentleman, Enemy Mine, where I had 6 inches of 5 hours of makeup on, and Iron Eagle, Diggstown, where I go to 3 gyms, 6 hours a day and do that. Or Sadat. I played Anwar Sadat.
As an African-American actor, he says the characters he plays carry a message about achieving success in life.
There's no such thing as impossible. This frustration is out of the picture. So it's not about acting, it's about living. And when you live a proper way, it seems, and do the things that you put on the planet to do in the first place, it seems like whatever it is that you're supposed to do, you get. I stay as busy as I would like. I'm very grateful. By the way, it's much better than working. It's much better than the 9-to-5ers,